Have a migraine headache? Just place a banana peel on your forehead. High percentage of Americans have problems with severe headaches, which usually are accompanied by nausea, level of sensitivity to light, tension in the neck and back again, and as well because throbbing pain. The many common used medicines intended for treating this condition are aspirin, Aleve or Excedrin, which do not fulfill their absolute goal, and that is to effectively reduce pain, since not every man and women experience headache relief, and if they do, you will encounter the side effects. Therefore, it is best to reach for the national healthier alternatives, which can be as effective as the over-the-counter medicines, in fact even better. Here below are some of the most effective ones. Basil oil. This oil is a potent natural muscle relaxant, which can relieve headaches resulting from muscle pain and tension. Replace olive oil with basil when you are cooking so that you can relax the muscles and soothe migraine pain. Banana and ice compress. According to the Mayo Clinic, the application of a cold compress to the head and neck soothes migraines. You can also put a banana peel on the forehead. The skin will absorb the potassium, thus relieving pain. Caffeine. Caffeine has the ability to relieve migraine pain, and because of that it is a common ingredient in medications. In fact, it can soothe the inflammation that triggers a migraine. Above all, once combined with some over-the-counter headache medicine, it will alleviate headache pain much faster because it turns to be 40% more effective. Yet, you have to be aware of that fact that if you overdo it you may become addicted to it, so when you are short of it headaches may occur as a result of its shortage. Ginger. According to a performed study in 2014, ginger root powder showed comparable benefits with other prescription migraine drugs, and moreover it does not show any adverse effects. Flaxseed. As stated before, the inflammation may be the key culprit for the occurrence of continuing migraine headaches. It could be treated by an elevated consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, and ground flax seeds and flaxseed oil are a rich source of omega-3s. You may use flaxseed oil because a salad dressing base, or you can just add ground flaxseed to your soups, broths or salads. Lavender oil. In order to treat a headache, massage the temples with a few drops of lavender oil. The other way would be to boil 6 cups of water, and then add 8 drops of lavender oil. The vapor which you will inhale will alleviate tension headaches. Aside the use of these natural remedies, you need to make some lifestyle changes if you want to solve the problem with headaches. One of those lifestyle changes can be trying yoga, exercise, meditation, or simply taking walks in nature. You will also need to make some dietary changes. All this will help you to better manage stress, supply the body with the needed nutrients, and soothe migraine pain. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.